Hi, it's Andile Masugu, and this is Afrobytes 2018. Let's check it out. I just see someone I know.
People wonder what a lawyer is doing at a tech event, but we run the Lawyers Hub in Kenya.
Yeah.
It's a community of lawyers that support startups so that they don't go into deals and mergers clueless.
I was on a panel this morning on the intersection of fashion and technology, which are my two favorite topics, let's be honest.
Yeah.
And no, it was amazing. It was really good.
Yeah.
To my right was head of digitalization for LVMH. So I had no idea, but they're building accelerators. They've got 50 startups that they're taking in startups that form part of the value chain of fashion. To my left was head of partnerships for Instagram. And so we had an amazing discussion about like the future of influencers and how digital can actually impact the African entrepreneurial space and then extending to fashion. So that was super cool.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Cool.
For me, one thing that I'm really passionate about when it comes to virtual reality is VR for schools. And I'm talking about schools from the base of the pyramid. Because if you look at what education is right now, and you look at the projected population growth, you know traditional methods will never solve that problem, right?
Yeah.
But this can. Alongside that, we are talking to governments who are saying, hey, this is something you should consider.
I came here to discuss why telco, why the mobile industry is leading tech in Africa. And being at Afrobytes, I get to meet people from the diaspora and others that are interested in the African tech industry.